What I wish I knew at 5, that the world is full of the cutest cats. Get ready to meet them. First up, we have the Scottish Fold. With those adorable folded ears and round eyes, they're basically teddy bears with whiskers. Next, it's the Ragdoll. These fluffballs love to cuddle and go limp in your arms Ragdoll style. Meet the Maine Coon. These gentle giants might be big, but they have hearts of pure gold. Then there's the Sphinx. No fur, no problem. Their big ears and wrinkly skin make them look like little alien cuties. Finally, the Persian. With their luxurious fur and smooshed faces, they're the royalty of the cat world. Which one's your favorite? Tell us in the comments below.